Hey guys, this is John with Winemakers Depot and WMD Equipment. The product that we're showing you in this video can be found exclusively on our website. Please be sure to check that out. Also, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest of the video.
This is a semi-automatic roll-on pilfer-proof capper, which is also known as a ROPP capper, and is manufactured in Italy by our good friends at Tenco. Each capper comes with a descending closing head, which is interchangeable with different closure types, bottle types, and even bottle sizes. This particular unit that I'm showing today is outfitted with a BVS 30x60 closing head, which is common for wine bottles. The first action item is setting the depth of your closing head by loosening these 4 bolts. There's 2 on top and 2 on bottom. This allows you to both lower or raise the closing head. Next, you're going to adjust the top wheel to lower or raise the closing head into the appropriate position. Your closing head should be about 1/2 inch above your bottle with the cap settled on top, or the width of your index finger laying flat. Now that you've set the height of the closing head, it is time to position your bottle forks. Loosen this screw in order to adjust the forks into place. You want your bottles to be centered underneath the closing head. Once you've confirmed that your bottle is positioned correctly and the height of your closing head is good, go ahead and tighten all of these screws back up. Now we can install the safety shield. You will need to remove these 2 screws which hold the safety shield in place when installed. You will notice that there's a switch that engages when it's compressed. This is a safety switch that will stop the capper from working if the safety shield isn't installed properly. Now that we have our bottles in place and the height of our closing head set, it's time to start up our capper. After you install the proper plug onto your cord, you'll need to plug it into the appropriate power source. Once you have the machine plugged in, let's turn the main power switch on. To confirm that there's power, this light will turn on. Next, you will disengage the emergency stop switch, twist and pull. Now your capper is ready to get to work. Press each of the 2 buttons on the sides of the frame to start the capping process. If the caps aren't going on properly, adjust the height of the closing head just as you had done previously. Otherwise, enjoy your new ROPP capper. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like and follow our page. Doing this will help us reach more of our customers to help out.